Hi guys, I'm Swarda and we're doing Most Likely To with Telefilms.
Welcome, Swarda. So the first question is most likely to give a one take shot.
Most likely to give a one take shot is Sharad.
Sharat.
Yeah, Sharad.
Yeah, Sharat is also playing a very amazing
Yeah,
character
yeah,
for
yeah.
in a
You know,
negative role.
he the trait of him like कुछ अलग अलग चीज है ना he वो करता है and he gets into the scene which are like really nice. Like when he has to deny over anything, he's like, this is something very new that he has got into the show. So it really like you pick up that thing. It's nice.
Even the sweetheart is like going very much viral
Yeah,
everywhere.
yeah. Sweetheart is going very much viral too.
Okay, so second question is Swarda most likely to forget their lines.
Shukla ji, we have a character Shukla ji. He's new in the industry. It's his first daily soap, so it's kind of a tough time for him to by heart the lines. Or he's not used to कि अभी अभी scene आया है and okay ready we are ready to shoot and he has to say a lot of lines. So it happens that with him.
Okay. So most likely to retake a shot even though it's perfect.
Most likely to
Retake a shot even though it's
Surbi,
perfect.
Surbi. She does that. See, sometimes like मैंने ऐसा किया क्या नहीं मैंने expression गलत दिया. And sir is like नहीं यार अच्छा था तू अच्छी दिख रही थी. And after again 5 minutes he's like सर एक काम करो ना सर ले लेते ना प्लीज मैं रात को सो नहीं पाऊंगी. And then sir is like अच्छा ठीक है ले ले तू सो नहीं पाएगी. And then she takes again.
Okay, सुरभि is a fun and loving person. हमने इस बात में भी उनसे कई सारी
Yeah,
बातें
yeah,
की थी,
yeah.
मिले थे तो lovely person. Any sort of memories you want to share with सुरभि? क्या कुछ मस्ती क्योंकि वो बहुत हंसाती हैं लोगों को.
Yeah, I mean, she's fun to work with, no doubt. She's the sweetest person like I've met, and I mean, I've just started shooting. It's just been 10 to 15 days with each other, and like it's yet to explore a lot of things because we're so busy in shooting. Like right now, it's just I have also entered, so I also have many scenes with other people.
Yeah.
So it's generally we don't meet or we meet, but we when we meet, we really have fun time.
Wow. Okay, most likely to check the mirror each time they passes.
Most punky. For sure. Never leaves a spot to click a picture or never leaves a mirror to check himself out.
Oh God. So I guess like most likely to be on the phone in between shot will be Ponky, I guess then.
No, it's Daksh actually. Yeah.
Like every time on phone.
Yeah, mostly.
Okay. So the your next question is most likely to praise themselves.
Most likely to praise themselves. No, yeah, there's nobody like that on the set. Nobody.
Okay. So most likely to be the last person to get ready.
Most likely to be the last person to get ready. No, like because everybody is on time and everybody gets ready like according to the time. So there's nobody who gets late on the set. Yeah.
Later on the
Otherwise, it
set.
would be a
No.
problem for us to shoot.
All the person are very dedicated to their work. Like
Yeah,
every
very. And
actor
they're like
in Nagin
almost
Factory.
everyone is a male actor. Like mostly, we just me and Surbi are the female actors. So nobody gets
Yeah.
takes time to get ready. So it's yeah like that.
Okay, I just want to know, Swarda, how difficult it is to switch into like normal Mayuri and then a Morni Kirdar.
It is difficult. It starts from the getup itself. I take almost an hour to get ready for the hair and for the makeup because every time on every outfit the makeup is different. So to remove everything and to put on everything again
Yeah.
is a task. And again with the scenes also because at home Mayuri is like very graceful and very poised and everything. But when Mayuri, while it comes to Morni, she's a killer. She's a warrior basically.
Yeah.
And for that the attitude completely changes. It's kill or die. So it's that kind of a thing. So it takes a lot of rehearsal, a lot of reading, and getting into that zone again. It takes time.
Okay. So your next question is most likely to have lot of snacks in bag.
That's me. You will find me eating every now and then, and or like throughout the day. I'll have chocos, I'll have chivda, I'll have what bread and what not in my basket.
ओके लंच टाइम पे तो लोग वेट कर रहे होंगे कि कब स्वर्धा का बैग खुले और खाने पीने का
Yeah,
सामान
it's our discussion, like Surbhi's and mine discussion every day in the morning. आज क्या लाया डब्बे में, आज क्या है, like what did you have for the breakfast and stuff. So and she's waiting for my mother to come. Actually, my mother is in Pune. She says she's waiting for my mom to come so that she'll cook chicken for her and I'll take it for everybody, and like
वाओ
that's fun.
okay so last questions Swarda most likely to take maximum selfies on set.
Maximum selfies on set is Daksh only. Yeah, selfies or videos. He keeps on doing that. Like
Okay.
behind the scenes.
Okay. Wow. Yeah, we have seen a lot of videos of Ponky and Daksh together. They have a lot of dance moves, and even I
Yeah,
want
yeah,
your dance moves are getting viral in social media.
yeah, very right. I mean, Utkarsh is a dancer. He's a great dancer, and that's why it's fun. I mean, जब भी time मिलता है, free time, we make sure that we utilize it in some way or the other.
Sweta, I really want to ask, are you a professional dancer? Because you dance like a professional.
I mean, I am not a professional dancer, but I've been dancing since my childhood. Like I was 10, and since then I'm dancing. I did classical Kathak, and I did salsa, and general Bollywood. I keep doing it.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Sweta. It was lovely talking to you. Hope you like our
Thank
segment.
you.
Hope you like our
And
interview.
also, I'll give a little hint that there's another like performance of mine coming up in again.
Oh, wow. Super excited. Super excited.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Sweta.
Thank you,
Thanks
yeah.
for the
Thank you for
interview.
having
Thanks.
me. I had fun in the interview, and thank you for like having being a mediator for my fans to know all the behind the scenes stuff.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye.
Bye bye. Thank you. Take care.
You too.